Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to enable dark mode on Thread app. Basically, in Thread app, you will not find the option dark mode. So it means you can't enable the dark mode by using Thread app. But I have a solution for you. The solution is very simple. You only need to open your mobile phone settings like I am opening. So after it opened, simply scroll it down. You will see the option display. Tap on this option. And here is the option dark mode. Simply tap on this option. After enabling the dark mode, tap on the option More Dark Mode Options. From here, search for your Thread app like my Thread app is here. So as you see, simply turn on this option. Now, the dark mode on Thread app is enabled. Now let me show you a look. Close this one and open your Thread app again. So as you see, now the dark mode on Thread app has been enabled. So by this way, you can also enable the dark mode on your Thread app.